Oh. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. I feel like it's been so long since I last posted a video. I've actually been filming last week and I also have more ideas, so stay tuned for upcoming videos. Also, if you're wondering why I'm wearing this mask, 2 reasons. Number 1, COVID, always stay safe. Number 2, I don't know if you noticed, but this is a new place and I'm currently renovating my room and the walls still kind of smell weird from the paint, so I have to wear this mask. So today I'm going to be making Blackpink's How You Like That inspired outfit. I was watching the music video at 8 a.m. so maybe I was just not really into it. It's early, but the more I watched it, I was like, okay, I kind of vibe with this. This is kind of a bop. When I saw them wearing the hanbok outfit, I was like, I've always wanted to make something like this, but they just rocked it. I love how it has that cultural piece, but also a little bit of that hip touch to it. And so for today specifically, I'm going to be making Jisoo's hanbok outfit. It's not going to have all the embellishments on it. It's just going to be more casual, more toned down. Obviously, I didn't actually go thrifting because it's not a safe time to do it right now, but I am using some old clothes that I don't wear anymore. And so honestly, I've never done actual fashion design or thrift flip, so this one's gonna be kind of interesting. All right, let's get started. So to start off with the iconic jacket, I'm using a hand-me-down from my mom, I believe. It's just a blazer and the sleeves are a little too short, so I'm going to extend it using the bell sleeves. And for the bell sleeves, I'm going to be using a skirt from middle school, and I honestly don't know how I got this idea, but it works. So right now I'm going to just lay the sleeve onto the skirt, and yes, I'm using a white crayon to trace out the sleeve shape. I'm going to draw a tapered line just to create that bell shaped sleeve. Honestly, I didn't use any measurements, I just kind of eyeballed it, and then I'm gonna cut it out and try it, and it seems like it kind of works, so we're just gonna go with that. And so now I went ahead and just cut out the same shape on the other side of the skirt, and now I have the 2 pieces for the bell sleeves. Here I'm just flipping it over inside out so I can line the right sides together and then pin them down to sew. I don't own a functional sewing machine at the moment, so I had to hand stitch everything. So now that I have the 2 pieces, because it's elastic at the end, I don't have to cut off the sleeve and sew it on. I can just directly slip it on and attach it. I'm surprised how my skirt actually worked out to become a sleeve, but here I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to add the gold border to the edges of the sleeve. And now I realize that I don't want this jacket to have a very blazer look, so I'm gonna tuck in it's not called a collar, I don't know what it's called, but you know what I mean. So I'm just gonna sew it down. I don't happen to have a seam ripper, unfortunately, so I'm just using scissors to rip the seams and remove that collar thing from the blazer. Here I already sewed down the edges and they honestly don't look very straight, but that's fine because we're going to be using this gold trim to line it up. This trim I actually got for like, I think 99 cents at Joann's on a random day, and I guess now it's coming into effect. Conveniently, this trim has holes in it already, so I'm just gonna stab my needle through it and just sew it onto the edge of the blazer. Also, I'm so sorry if my camera blurs out. It can't track motion very well, but this is the best I can do. I also had some other random gold trim laying around, so I decided why not make a frog clasp, if that's what it's called. It's like one of those things that instead of a button, you find these kind of things on the traditional Asian wear. I don't know how to explain. So even though I'm making it here, I ended up not putting it on the blazer because even though I laid it out and this is technically where I would sew it down, I just thought it was too much gold. I know that's rare, I never say it's too much gold, but for the first time, I think I'm gonna save it for a different project. And this is the gold ribbon that I showed you guys earlier. I'm going to be using it for the sleeves, so I'm just wrapping it around, and then instead of sewing, I'm using hot glue. I realized that when I sewed it down, I kept sewing the sleeves shut and I got frustrated, so you know what, might as well just stick it on with good old hot glue. And finally, to hide the raw edges from the ribbon, I'm going to use some of the excess trim from before and just glue it on. Alright, what's up you guys? So I got the hair done and I also got the earrings and I'm finished with the jacket right now and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna put the outfit together. Alright, so this is a skirt that I used to wear all the time in middle school. Fun fact, back in middle school I used to wear a skirt every day. Doesn't matter if it's raining or whatever, I always wear skirts. It's crazy. But I'm actually gonna turn this into a top. So Jisoo has this very flowy top. I don't have that, but I'm gonna see if I can do something like wear this as a top and then put like a little gold trim as a belt. Okay, so this is kind of what the outfit's gonna look like. I have the top and then the ribbon as the belt, and then this is the bottom. I also have these knee-high boots and these are only $20. I usually don't wear shoes in the house, but we're gonna do it for this video. So this is what the jacket looks like right now. I didn't put on the bell sleeves yet, but yeah, the trim looks pretty good. And now I'm just gonna tie the ribbon around my waist as the gold belt. And the cool thing about making this bell sleeve out of a skirt is that the edge is made up of elastic, so I can literally just slip it on like so. So yeah, the top part of this outfit is pretty much finished and I am flapping my sleeves like a freaking 3rd grader because I'm excited. Alright, one last thing you guys, so I actually picked these up from Michael's. They're on sale for $2 and I initially wasn't gonna put any embellishments on the jacket, but I just happened to stop by and these were, you know, happened to also be the exact, or not exact, but similar to the tassel thing that they have on the jacket, so you know, might as well. So I'm gonna put these on with safety pins. Okay, y'all, are you all ready to see the final product? All right, here it is. This is the outfit. All right, you guys, so this is the full outfit right here. Ta-da! All right, so this is everything put together. I got the knee-high boots, I got the skirt shirt, we got the jacket, the asymmetrical shorts, and the hair. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of the tassels. I think they kind of turned out kind of funky, but we're doing it just for the sake of the outfit. Got the bell sleeves. All right, so this is it. I have the shirt or skirt shirt and this is also made of a skirt. Can you believe that? Like, I had no idea what materials I needed. I didn't even know what to use and I just grabbed 2 skirts and it's part of the outfit now. Honestly, as my first thrift flip / clothing transformation ever, I think this is pretty good. I just really like these bell sleeves. Love this so much. I really wish that I can wear this casually. I mean, you never know, maybe you'll see me rocking this in the streets. Jisoo, you are a fashion queen. Honestly, this project was so fun and after doing Jisoo's outfit, I really want to do more, so we'll see. Obviously, this is not made to be exactly like their jacket or their outfit. This is just inspired by it and I'm not trying to impersonate them or be them, as a disclaimer. Alright, so that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned for more fun, exciting, and creative videos. Subscribe if you haven't done so already and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!